to explain the rules of pre-modifier with examples. Look at the whiteboard question. I have found use pre-modifier books. It indicates or implies that you will have to use pre-modifier here, and the noun is books. I have already discussed the rules of pre-modifier. Article was the part of pre-modifier. Possessive or pronominal, demonstrative and quantifiers, and other than these parts like adjectives are also the parts of pre-modifier. Now I am going to explain chronologically, that means step by step, the using of pre-modifier. Here I have mentioned a question. I have found use pre-modifier books, but no indication is clear to you because here only the mentionable part is use pre-modifier. Now I can explain it, I can answer the question in various ways, like I have found the books. That means I have submitted here the answer by using articles. In the different way, that means in the alternative way, I can also answer the question by writing I have found your books. Your books. In the third example, I am going to explain the answer in another way. I have found these books. These books. In the fourth part, I am going to explain by using quantifier. I have found some books. Some books. Now you will have to understand and realize that all of these answers are correct, though they are differentiated from each other. First of all, I have written here I have found the books. That means I have selected the answer by using articles. In the second part, I have answered I have found your books. That means it is the collection from the list of possessive. This is article, first part. In the second part, possessive or pronominal. Possessive or pronominal. Pronominal. In the third part, demonstrative is written here. Demonstrative. And in the fourth part, I have some books. It indicates the using of quantifier. Quantifier. All of these answers are correct because all of these are the parts of pre-modifier. In the next part, you will have to learn in what way adjective can be used as the pre-modifier. That means first of all you will read the question paper very attentively and sincerely. If you are told to answer the question from a definite portion, from a definite rule, then you will have to submit the answer according to the wish of the question setter. Look at the whiteboard. I have found. Pre-modify the noun. Pre-modify the noun with quantifier. Quantifier. Books. So here the remarkable point is that I have mentioned here the name of a particular pre-modifier, that means quantifier. If the question is written in this way, then you have no alternative way to answer the questions and you are compelled to submit the quantifier. I have found some books, some or few or all books. But if you are told to submit only the answer by using pre-modifier without mentioning any particular part, then it will entirely depend on your wish in what way you will be able, in what way you will submit your answer. It may be used from article, it may be used from the list of possessive or pronominal, it may be the part of demonstrative, or it may be the part of quantifier. So first of all you will read the question and then you will take the decision in what way your answer will be submitted by you. Now I am going to explain the using of adjective. So what is the main characteristics of adjectives? I have already mentioned in my previous class the definition and characteristics or features of adjective. That means if you have already watched my previous class, you have already realized, you have already understood, you have already learned all the parts of pre-modifier that I have mentioned in my previous class. Now I am going to explain the rules of adjective and the using of adjective as the pre-modifier. Reja is A/N. Use adjective student. So what is the definition of adjective? The word that qualifies or modifies noun and pronoun is called adjective. Now I can submit the answer in this way. Reja is a meritorious student. Meritorious student. I can submit the answer in the different way by writing Reja is a lazy student. Lazy student. But what will be the correct answer? It will entirely depend on the using of the main passage. You will have to read the main passage, you will have to read the entire passage or whole passage from rudiment to the end. In what way these adjectives can be perfect for the using of the noun. But if you want to use an as the article, then your adjective word, that is the word that will be used by adjective, must be started by using vowel. I am also mentioning such kind of example. Reja is an intelligent student. Intelligent student. All of these are adjectives because meritorious, lazy and intelligent, all of the three words have already qualified or modified the word noun, that means student. Now the using of intensifier is waiting for you. Using of intensifier. The intensifier is such kind of word or words that always implies or expresses or indicates the highest part or the lowest part of adjective. Reja is use intensifier. Use intensifier. Meritorious student. Meritorious student. What does it imply? That means here noun is present, student, and the using of adjective is also present, meritorious, and the rest part is waiting for you. You will have to use intensifier. Then you can write, then you can answer the question by writing Reja is very meritorious student. Very meritorious student. So this is the chronological development. Look at the end of the sentence. Noun. For the noun, an adjective is used, meritorious. And before the adjective, very is used as intensifier. Very deeply, highly, seriously, extremely, and such kind of words are always included in the list of intensifier. So what is the alternative name of adjective and intensifier in the using or in the spheres of modifiers? The alternative name of adjective is pre-modify the noun. I am here writing on this board. Pre-modify the noun. Pre-modify the noun. That means using of adjective. That means you will have to use adjective. Pre-modify the adjective. Pre-modify the adjective. The adjective. It implies the using of intensifier. Intensifier. So, if you see that in the question paper pre-modify the noun is used, then you will have to understand that you will write the adjective form of the word as the pre-modifier of noun. And in the same way, if pre-modify the adjective is written, then you will have to use intensifier before the writing of adjective as the pre-modifier. Now I am going to explain two fixed pre-modifiers as the using of intensifier. Fixed intensifier. Intensifier. That means so and to. So is linked with that and to is connected with to. So in what way such kind of question is made? I am going to explain these parts. Reja is use intensifier. Use intensifier if that he cannot walk. He can't walk. Here a clear indication is waiting for you that the using of intensifier must be the writing of so, because that is used here in the rest part of the sentence. Reja is so ill that he cannot walk. He can't walk. The using of so is compulsory here because that is used to make you understand the using of so. And if the sentence is written in different way using the simple sentence, that means the structure of simple sentence, then you will have to use to as the intensifier. Look at the example. Reja is. Use intensifier in to what? Now you will have to write Reja is too ill. Reja is too ill to work. This is the perfect answer and you are compelled to submit your answer in this way. Now I am going to explain the using of participle as the pre-modifier. Using of participle. Using of participle. That means two kinds of participle. One is present participle and another is past participle. Present participle. That means main verb in the present form. Main verb present form added ing at the end. Added ing at the end. At the end. That means developing, writing, running, improving, etc. But if these words are written in the past participle form, then it must be changed very easily. And all of us know the past participle form of the verbs. Like developing will be transferred into developed, writing will be transferred into written, running will be transferred into run, improving will be transferred into improved. And such kind of words are also in the list of our past participle. Now I will deliver two examples from these two types of participle. One is present participle and other is past participle. Bangladesh is a use present participle country. Now the answer must be written that Bangladesh is a developing country. But if the question is written in the different way, Bangladesh is a use past participle country. Bangladesh is a use past participle country. Past participle country. Then you will have to write the third form of the verb. That means Bangladesh is a developed country. Bangladesh is a developed country. So these two words are the perfect using of two types of participle. One is present participle and the other is past participle. Now I will write the board question and will make the solution by the rules and principles and their structures and examples that I have already mentioned since the last class, and the using of modifiers, that means the rules of modifier. First of all, Rajshahi Board 2017. Rajshahi Board 2017. Look at the example. The first sentence is written, Aisha Begum has 3 sons and 2 daughters. Aisha Begum has 3 sons and 2 daughters. And 2 daughters. Her husband was a, please modify the noun, farmer. Her husband was a, pre-modify the noun, farmer. Pre-modify the noun, farmer. So what does it imply? That means here noun is used. That means farmer is used as noun, and you will have to use pre-modify the noun. That means adjective. Now you can make the answer, you can submit the answer or write the answer in this way. Her husband was a poor farmer, or her husband was a landless farmer. Landless farmer. Both of these answers are correct. In the next sentence, who used dash on other people's land? Who used infinitive. Who used infinitive. Use infinitive on other people's land. On other people's land. People's land. Now let me explain what is the using of infinitive. In my last class I had told you that means the using of infinitive means using the to and verb in the present form. So rules of infinitive is to plus verb in the present form. Present form. So what can be your perfect or proper answer? Who used to work? Who used to work? Who used to cultivate? Who used to plow on other people's land. So this is the using of pre-modifier. First of all, Aisha Begum has 3 sons and 2 daughters. Her husband was a pre-modified noun farmer. I have made the answer. Her husband was a poor or landless farmer. This is the using of adjectives, that one kind of pre-modifier. In the next sentence, relative pronoun is used here to connect these 2 sentences, because the information that is provided here, that means the information that is supplied here belonging to Aisha Begum and her husband, is also linked and connected with the first sentence. Who used infinitive on other people's land. Who used to work or to cultivate or to plow on other people's land. Now I am going to fetch these 2 sentences and I am going to explain the other sentences of the same passage. In the next sentence, they married use possessive daughters of. They married use possessive daughters of before they reach their perfect marriage. However, they married use possessive daughters of. So what is the using of possessive? The using of possessive is that mine, our, your, his, her, their, its. But here the only perfect answer will be theirs, because THEIR apostrophe S. Because Aisha Begum and her husband, both of them are involved in this matter. As a result, the perfect possessive will be theirs, daughter of. Or you may also write only their. They married their daughter of. This is the correct or perfect answer. In the next sentence, the sons also started present participle. The sons also started present participle with dash father. The sons also started use present participle. Use present participle with their father. With their father. Here the using of possessive. You can watch all these parts of the entire passage so that you may have a clear conception about the using of modifiers, whether it is pre-modifier or post-modifier. The sons also started use present participle. So what is the feature of present participle? Main verb in the present form adding or including ing at the end. The sons also started working on earning. Working or earning. Both of these words are the perfect example of present participles. The sons also started working with their father. They left for town. By the time they were 17, they left for town. Use infinitive. In the next sentence, by the time they were 17. By the time they were 17. That means their age is also mentioned here. 17. They left for town. They left for town. Use infinitive. Use infinitive. So, what is the definition or the characteristics of infinitive? The using of infinitive indicates to plus verb in the present form. To and verb in the present form. Present form. By the time they were 17, they left for town to work or to earn. Both of the here the using of present form with the preposition to. That means the clear indication to use infinitive. In this way, if you read all the board questions, you will be able to understand that the rules and structures that have always been discussed in my previous class and the present class, and all of these rules are enough for you so that you can make the solution of the board questions. Now I am going to mention the board that is important for you, and I hope and it is my expectation from you that you will make the practice, you will make the solution, and you will be able to make the perfect solution, correct solution, proper solution of all these boards. I am going to mention the name of the boards. Dinaspur board, Dinaspur board 2019, Borishal board, Borishal board 2016 and 2017, Kumilla board 2019, Kumilla board 2019, Dinaspur board 2017, Dinaspur board 2017, Rajshahi board 2017, Rajshahi board 2017, Chattogram board 2019, Chattogram board 2019, combined board code 185, code 185 Cosset, (2018), Dhaka board 2016, Dhaka board 2016, and Joshore board 2017, and Joshore board 2017. Now, I hope and I expect that you will read all the rules of the modifiers and you will practice all these words I have mentioned in this whiteboard. And it will be very much easy for you if you read the rules that have already been mentioned in these two classes belonging to modifiers. Will be very much effective and fruitful to you. Okay, see you, goodbye.